The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Connecticut, all of District of Columbia, all of Delaware, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of Massachusetts, all of Maryland, all of Maine, all of Michigan, all of North Carolina, all of New Hampshire, all of New Jersey, all of New York, all of Ohio, all of Pennsylvania, all of Rhode Island, all of South Carolina, all of Virginia, all of Vermont, and all of West Virginia beginning at 11:01 a.m. and ending at 12:01 p.m. Test message EAPAWS open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
Alright, so that's WWLV 94.1 from Winston-Salem, North Carolina, actually laying a weekly test sent through IPAWS, or the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System. And they told them that as soon as it was sent out, because if I have to go to any alert logs, this was the alert. This was the IPAWS weekly test that got sent at 11:01. WWLV toned it at 11:01, so they basically went right by the dot. And I've only known this for about a week now, but this is something that I've actually discovered with WWLV to actually do. Because, and I've never caught a weekly test originated through IPAWS on air before. But there was one day last week where I was randomly scrolling through the radio dial to listen on any radio stations that can receive, that do relay this weekly test. Then I happened to hear WWLV do it. And throughout my time of monitoring pretty much every station that I was going up and down the radio dial on, WWLV was the only station that I received, or did receive at the time, that relayed that IPAWS weekly tests last week. So now it comes to me recording this video for me to know that that's a thing that WWLV actually does. And here you are seeing this.